Hey, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, everyone. This is your friend Sachin Rakra, and welcome to our channel Router and Switches Concepts. If you had not subscribed our channel, please hit subscribe button and click the notification bell icon with all. Okay, so let's jump into another topic, the next topic, what we have today. So the next is basically the management interface. Okay, so what is management interface? Management interface is basically in uh, in our network devices or in OS10 or OS9 devices, we have one port, which is basically uh, copper port. Okay, it is a copper port and it only supports only copper part actually as a management, and it will be considered as a different VRF. Hope you guys aware of the concept of VRF. If you don't, and if you want me to prepare a video for that, let me know in the comments. I will surely prepare that actually. So the management interface is basically it's if it is different from the global routing, and so this interface comes under, or it will be there in the management VRF. Okay, so we normally connect a copper cable, and all the traffic of management part of the switch, it will go through the management interface. Okay, so we'll jump into our lab actually and see what we and how we can do that actually. So first of all, we will see what type of interfaces we have on our OS10 switches. Okay, so if you notice, actually all the ports, it does not say fast Ethernet 10 or fast Ethernet or gigabit or something like that. So in OS10, all the interfaces are considered as a Ethernet. Okay, whether it is 1 gig, 10 gig, 100 gig, or 40 gig, whatever. So it will consider as a Ethernet port. In bottom, if you have noticed, actually we have a management interface. So the management interface is basically, as I said, it is basically used for out-of-band network management, and all the management traffic will go through the management interface. Okay, so let's see what we have on these management interface, and what is right now or as a default configuration on this interface. Okay, so default configuration is nothing much on that actually. No shut and DHCP enable, and IPv4 DHCP enable, and IPv6 auto config enable. So to configure anything, what we have to do, we have to go again in config T, which I am already there. So we'll go management one by one, and first of all we will disable the IP address DHCP, because right now it is configured on that. So we'll disable that by doing no. Anything you want to remove on OS10 command line wise or configuration wise, you have to use no before the command, and it will remove that thing. So if you want me to show you what I am saying, so now one by one, DHCP does DHCP command is not there. Okay, so let's configure the IP address. So it's similar IP address. I'm using private IP 192.168.1.1 for, okay. So in OS 10 or all Dell environment, actually OS 9 as well as except OS 6 and 3, OS 9 and 10 is basically intelligent OS. If you give decimal type subnet mask, it will not take. Okay, so it needs the slash type network mask. Okay, so in this, it will automatically calculate that it is a /24 subnet for this port. Okay, so if you see in the configuration also, it will show you. Come on, sorry about that. Do show run interface and by one. Okay, so it is no DHCP, the command it is showing. So whatever command it is showing, that means it is not a default command. Okay, so and IP address 192.168.1.1. So for other side of the switch, actually switch 2, we'll configure 2. So we'll just copy this and we'll change into 2. Okay. So okay. So if you see the configuration on this, it will show you the 2 IP. Okay. So management interface on this, it is showing on default, but actually the traffic which is hitting to the management interface, it is outside from the default routing, okay, or global routing we call it. So that's it. Let's see what we have on next chapter or next slide. Hope this video is informative to you and it will help you to learn your networking skills. If you had not already subscribed our channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all the notification of our new videos. Thank you.